This time, Take will be making IKA-no-SUGATA YAKI, grilled whole squid.
Oh, it's exciting.
Squid has been eaten in Japan since the Jomon period. The Jomon period in Japan, amazingly, it dates back between 12,000 and 25,000 years ago.
Wow.
First, remove the squid's guts.
Insert fingers inside the squid and remove the part where the gut is connected to the body. Gently pull the gut out of the squid.
The black part on the underside is where the squid ink is. Remove the eyes. Remove the squid's mouth Karasu-Tombi or jaw plate.
Pull out the soft bone that corresponds to the squid spine.
Make cuts so that the flavor can penetrate the inside. Seasonings: 1 tablespoon sake, 1 tablespoon mirin, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar. Put this in a bag, add the prepared squid, mix well, and leave for 10 minutes.
Prepare a shiitake mushroom for garnish.
Grill it on a Robatayaki machine. The smell of burnt soy sauce will fill the room. Nice smells.
Add mayonnaise and shichimi pepper.
IKA-no-SUGATA YAKI is ready.
Wow.
He will continue to make various dishes, so if you like, please subscribe to this YouTube. It is easier than you think and tastes excellent. I hope you will try making it.
Thank you very much for your watching.